Like we'll start a new topic today. Another one order type in Fury. Normally you have seen like in every order type like we used to create in Fury. Okay, here we'll go for certain best practices. Proactive maintenance. Go for proactive maintenance means this is based on certain SAP best practices. Yeah, this particular order type is by default in SAP S4HANA. Any name we can change, just like we had for in normal in S4HANA. We have seen certain order types, right? Initially, like we had gone for only internal labels, and there we have seen corrective maintenance, right? And once we moved on to the internal labor and the components, stock components, then we have to try this in breakdown maintenance order. Okay. Example, say another one component, so stock and non-stock, we tried in shutdown order or like a refurbishment order. Right? All these combinations. Yes, these are the standard which was available, and we created our own order also. Right? Then we had seen this again in this also the same. So maintenance and this like in investment order, we tried all those things, investment order. These are the standard orders like available in the system, and we can configure and we can customize also. Same way when coming to this Fury apps, right? These are like phase-based model. Go for this phase-based model. Okay, this is based on your SAP best practices. This is order type. Instead of this, those are called as scope items. Okay, again, like these are readily available in this system. We can customize it, these two, just like in normal order types. These are like based on SAP best practices, and it is called phase-based model. Why? There are like 9 phases. Okay, we can bypass and we can use like other apps also. Okay, in directly, or we can follow these 9 phases. We will see this first as a standard process. Okay, how it goes. Then first, like you will go for. Okay, before that, like I want to go for configuration setting, and I'll show you where we can have this. Same path, go for your SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay, you have configured already the orders, right? Go for your plant maintenance. Okay, go for your maintenance and service processing. Okay, go for your maintenance and service orders. Like here, we will go for it. Right. In this, again, go for functions and settings for your order types. In this functions and settings for order types, we configure like different order types as per the requirement. All right. These are the standard orders. Still, we can use this with a GUI. Okay, and or also like normal in Fury apps also we can use it. Correct, but the same functionality how we had done. What was the process? Okay, normally we'll create it, we'll release it. Next we'll go for components receival, and next we'll confirm it. Next again like we'll go for technical completion, settlement, and finish. Okay, but here there are certain process. Okay, what is that based on the processes? See, these are the standard orders: reactive maintenance and proactive maintenance. These two things. Yeah. Next, I'll go for this proactive maintenance. Okay, this you can release immediately. There is an option, and if there is no approval, or like if there is an approval workflow. Okay, it is like by default it is approved and it is released immediately. This particular order type, this functionality. Okay, and next we go for active phase model. Okay, activate like phase model. There is an for this particular order type, phase model is been activated. So come back. So come back. Okay, next like we'll go for, see this I'm closing it, all these configuration settings, same thing, but I'll go for Fury apps. So let me go for this particular Fury apps. Here, Fury apps for your maintenance processing. So these are the general settings we'll make. Okay, configure your overall statuses. First, like this should be configured. Okay, this is also by default, it will be there, but still you want to edit, you can edit. Okay, 1 second. So this is a standard one. This for this reactive maintenance, this is there. proactive maintenance, this has been activated. Okay, so select this proactive maintenance, select and go for this overall status. Everything is same, and we can configure our own. Okay, these are the stages. Okay, we can have a different approval. See, for your entity, order header, for order component, order operation, and notification header, all those things, these are the descriptions. Okay, then this much is finished. As a standard, we will see step by step, and then again we will come back over here. And what are the conditions? Okay, we can have for each things, we can have one condition. Okay, what is a condition? Status should be approval required, outstanding notifications. Okay, all those things and conditions. So I am pausing this over here. Okay, this once, 1 second. So go to our standard process. Okay, how to create this? There are two ways to create it. Proactive maintenance, when you want to do, we are aware of preventive maintenance, right? This is a planned one. Preventive maintenance. This is a planned process. As per planned, we will go for it. Okay, how you have scheduled? Examples where we have scheduled our maintenance as 1 month, 3 months, or like 6 months, etc. Right? And now you are in example say 3 months. 3 months to 6 months period. Okay, in that again, like say some in middle of 3.5 months. Okay, then normal, like irrespective of the preventive maintenance schedule, we carry out, means user will carry out the inspection. Say like during 4.5 months, he found some values. Okay, means abnormal or like going to be increasing trend kind of thing. You will analyze. How we will analyze? We know there is an inspection thing. Okay, how we will inspect? Again, like measuring points. Okay, measuring documents. That part is there, right? We analyze based on that. Okay, you can have that reports, and again in any third-party software, like you want to analyze, or in existing one only you want to analyze the trend, increasing one. All those things we can have. And based on that inspection output, you thought like means user is thinking that to do some maintenance. Anyway, you're doing maintenance in 6 months, but it will be very late. Okay, means this is a proactive action you're taking. Yeah, preventive is there. Anyway, it is a routine maintenance which helps to upkeep the machines. And anyway, the corrective mission is there. Corrective maintenance is there. Okay, what is your mean by corrective? Corrective is nothing but something has happened already. Means you in an inspection you found like leakage. Okay, that time you're going for your corrective maintenance. Instead of that, I'm going, means in Fury phase boss model, reactive maintenance I'm doing. Means I'm reacting to the issue. Okay, in preventive maintenance is there. In Fury App, I'm going for proactive maintenance. Okay, so we can have the scheduled. We can schedule it now again as per just like your preventive maintenance, or we can do proactive, like in middle of something we want to rise directly, like manually creation of the orders. Okay, that also we can do manually creation of order. Both way we can have scheduling. You know, we can have a strategy first, IP11, then task list, example, then again your maintenance plan 41, 42, 43, and schedule it, and orders are created. This time, like we are creating not preventive maintenance in Fury. Means if you want to go for a phase model, okay, we are going to create a proactive maintenance over here. Yeah, this is also there, and preventive is also there. Okay, anything we can use based on the requirements. So all those things we can propose them, or we can create our own with name. A standard name is okay. Example say, let me go for the standard names. Assign that. Once you create that, we will go for assignment. See here, YA01, YA02. Instead of that, I want to have like something YA1, YA2, whatever. SAP standards are these names. Now, how like PM01, 02 is there, same names. So let me go for this, and we'll create one notification. Yes.
What was reactive maintenance definition?
Yeah, reactive means, example say, already you found some leakage. Means in this while inspection or something like that. Means if we have to arrest this. Okay, something has happened, then you are reacting for that particular.
So,
Yeah,
like if you find a leak during a, wait, so what's corrective? If fixing leakage doesn't go with corrective. What's corrective?
Yes, this particular one, we do it in normal GUI order type. This we are doing using a phase-based model, this reactive maintenance. Okay, there are like 9 phases involved for this. Nothing but an corrective. You're correcting it, means you're reacting for that. Same way how in corrective we used to have a malfunction, right? Means example, say, because of this leakage, something else like malfunction has occurred or breakdown has occurred, that we can again have this in reactive, we can mention. Okay, if that is a malfunction, again there is another one, repair and report malfunction. Yeah. This is also a single Fury app.
So I'm still a little fuzzy on the difference between corrective and reactive.
Yes, you can
Correct.
think
So reactive, you found the
reactive.
leak. Reactive, you found the
No,
leak, so you're
don't go
fixing it.
for, you think like as of now, I'm telling both are same. Okay. Yes. Then I will come over here. This reactive maintenance is based on SAP best practices. Okay. It involves this particular process. Okay. Involves 9 phases. Yeah. This order type especially. Yeah. This one, what you do, you just create it, release it. Example, say if you have a goods, MIGO, then you go for confirmation, then you go for TECO. Okay. But here, the 9 phases, like I'll explain the step-by-step process.
So corrective and reactive are the same,
Are
except
the same.
in the only. So what's the differences in the stages the work orders go through, the statuses?
Statuses, yes, exactly. The statuses also have changed. See here, like I'll go for the statuses.
That's a
Lot
pretty
many new statuses. Yes,
fine line,
because
fine definition.
go for your overall status. Go for your anyone reactive or proactive. See, these are the statuses again. Ready to schedule, ready for execution, main work started. So they have come up with the best practices. They are combined, means they use certain. It's a new order type kind of thing in S4HANA or in Fury, especially. So this they name it as a phase-based model. All these statuses were not there earlier. So simple, same order type. They made it like you want to follow these rules. Okay. For that, they made a phase-based model, and again they said these are the SAP best practices. You have to follow these best practices. Yeah. Earlier, certain enhancements were there. Example, say we used to use certain user statuses. Now user statuses is part of this particular order type. That's what we see in this status. And we have assigned that particular status over here. So
And
this
when
is
you
on
say
status.
9 phases, that's a way of saying the 9 statuses it goes through.
Exactly, 9 stages. Every phase has a status and sub phase also. Okay, for everything there will be an individual status. Exactly, right. And for this, we have assigned this particular status over here. Okay, we will go for yes, notification creation. Okay, example say in general, okay, I'm creating like manual proactive maintenance, okay, based on that inspection result or something like that. There's just chance. It's not unlike earlier, there was no only corrective or preventive. Now, like you're taking action proactively. So proactive maintenance. So what order type, what notification type you want to generate? Examples, I'll go for proactive maintenance. Okay, this notification type. So enter. There are many ways to create it. One of the way is this. Yep. Directly I have come to this Fury app and I'm mentioning description. Okay. Example say maintenance of certain compressor. Yeah, you want to go for a structure. Just I'll open the structure and I'll take one equipment. Yes. Shall I consider this 106? Anyone? It's fine. 106. Whether it has any measuring points? No. Later we will see this measuring points. Whether it has any organization. Yeah, catalog profile it has. So let me go for this. Okay, and we can search from here also. Equipment, whatever. Maintenance of the compressor. Okay, example. So we'll go for this particular equipment. Enter. So continue. So this is an object information, some test work created, all those things, earlier orders like it is showing. There's a reference. So go for this. Main work center is the person responsible. Any person responsible, like we can change from here. Okay. Some other one, name. If any names are there, such term, we can go. We can change it from here. So I will tell you the reason. Let me select this one. Okay. I will tell you the reason later. So enter. Person responsible is this. Then who has reported it? This particular one. You all know it's all the same. Some person who has reported it. Okay. It's some proactive action. So the screens are a bit different in this notification one. So no object part, nothing. Okay. Just or else like we can select this. In this, like there is no damage, but still your proactive action is there. Go for your say like an engine. Okay. I'll select like one engine part. In this like damage and all nothing. Directly like I'll go for some effect we can have it. All tasks. See, normally like we'll go for all tasks. Before going for that, we'll see the statuses. What new status is there? See, earlier this was not there. Now it has come. Approval required. Outstanding notification is there. This is also one of the best practice. Okay, they have initiated this approval required at this stage. How we can have that approval? Okay, let me go for this save of notification. Notification number will be saved 768. Here you can go for menu, go for notification and go for your change of the notification 768. Enter now. Okay, now I want to have like tasks or you want to initiate it. How we can approve? See here, issue permits. Nothing but for they have assigned for this. Earlier in notification it was not there. Now again like they have added this. So if you go for this, click here, it will come approval is okay. Notification is in process directly. Need not to put again in notification. Once you got an approval, nothing but it notification in process. Yeah, this is one step we follow.
So after the approval
Back.
of the order is given, who is notified?
Yes, yes. That normally it will be triggered or it will change this particular one. Okay, status it will be changed. Okay, and we can have a workflow again, like mail will be triggered to the concerned person, and who is authorized, only that particular person can approve it. All those things we can have.
So after approval, what's the next status?
Yes, yes. After approval, see here, approval okay.
And
Earlier it was approval required.
Yeah, and then
Now
notification for us in process, that's checked off. Notification of who?
Earlier it was outstanding notification. Now it is notification in process.
Notification is notification record. It's not notifying someone that notification is getting created.
Oh yeah.
So you're looking for notification.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Then once like this status is set, means this status has been changed. In normally it will be OSNO, outstanding notification. Notification is okay, notification in process. Normally what we do, we'll come to and we'll go for this particular job, right? We want examples as a proactive action. We want to replace one bearing. Okay, not damaged, maybe like it's a proactive action. So again, we'll go for another one. Then we will do some fuel top up. Yes, and again we'll perform some inspection. Yes, all these things are done. See now like it's the same status. TSOS. Okay, now we want to select this. Okay, now we used to release this particular thing, right? See here, there is a release one option. Then go on the release over here. Tasks are released. So save it. So outstanding tasks are there here. So outstanding tasks are there. So come back, and now action needs to be taken. Means example, we have process this particular notification. How we can process this notification? So create an order. Okay, what order? This particular order. Okay, IA01. It's a proactive order. So any business area, particular business area, we can provide, and we can have this. Okay, maintenance of a compressor. Another one got added in object information. So continue. Okay, see now the statuses has come. What all things? Created, material availability not checked, dates are not updated, order approval required. Yes. Now order approval is required. Again, this is a new one. Okay. For this, like again, workflows, flexible workflows are again designed. Means proper email ID means email ID should be configured over here. Okay. Or like again, user ID should be linked with the HR. Means our user ID. That also like I'll show you how we can have. See, now the status was set to created. Like normally once order will be created, this was earlier was there. Dates are not updated. This is also the fine. This is the new one. Order approval required. Now you require a approval for the order. Okay, how we can have? We can have normally in another one status. I will let you know. Once if we submit, then it will come to our inbox. That is for your reactive examples. Proactive also we can have this. This is a configuration setting. Then we can go for my inbox. This. Okay, we can have in my inbox, and we can have that particular workflow. Okay, once it is set to created by whom, when, all those things, it will come over here, and you can approve all those things we can do. So come back first, like I'll go for how to submit it first of all. Earlier, how was the case? See here, release was the case. Now again, like in middle, something has come up, right? This is the new step which got added. Okay, what is the new step? So first we have done, we have created like submitted stage. This is an again like optional. We can submit this particular one. Okay, notification, nothing but notification submitted. Okay, created or submitted. Okay, here I will write created. Then again a notification only. Example say it is accepted. Okay, or like approved. Approval. Okay. Okay. Next, like we have mentioned like order assigned. Yes, this stage like order has been assigned. Now if you go and check like in order in notification, here you click. Okay, order has been assigned. ORAS. Go for this. Now you are back to your order assigned. Next, it will come in planning. Then before that, I will go for submit button. So how we will save it? First, this order. This much is sufficient. Go for your order. Notification. From here also, we can toggle. Okay, order one. Then this is an old one, right? Means normally like we used to have this particular view. Okay, it's created all those stuff. So come back, we will go for the new one. So go for this, find maintenance order. Okay, in order, like I'll show you another one. Find maintenance order. Okay, plain one. These are completion scheduling also we can have. In general, I'm searching for one maintenance order. Yes, here you go. This is one Fury app. So in middle, like here, I'll write app and maintenance order. Yes. Now you go for this order. Okay, there are like so many things which order type like you want to segregate all those things, or if less orders are there, just go for your order and you arrange it in a descending order. From here also you can find it. Okay, maintenance of your compressor. Okay, then select this. See from here you want to change any responsibility, change the status. See here, it is not activated. Okay, you want to set directly to the do not execute this particular order. Okay, we can set it, and you change like some scheduling. Okay, I say come back here. You can change this or create workpack, print it, edit orders, all those things. So multiple. So I'm going from here, this arrow mark also, you can go for here, order. So now we are into find maintenance order. Use of this particular app is you can find like orders, okay, which are orders at what stage, priorities, all those things we can find from here. Okay, status, yeah, all those things we can have the list over here. From there only, if you come inside in particular individual order, we can edit it. Okay, we can have an edit option, or like this is a display option. From here you can check the orders. Okay, edit it. Yes, this view is different. Okay, this free app view. Again, I'm not able to release it. What is my status? Again, once you come from the notification, submit for the approval. Okay, once you come from the notification, I'm into submit for the approval. Okay, this one I'll put over here like this. In notification, I'll mention like approval required is done, approval okay is done, then notification in process is done, then order assigned is done. Okay, now we are into from notification. If you come, we are into submitted phase. Okay, here I'll mention the order statuses. Okay, earlier it was CRTD, the normal status. Now we have to submit it for the approval purpose. So I'll go for submit for approval. This is again best practice. Will be saved and submitted for approval. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Okay, here there is an auto approval system. Okay, is activated. By default, certain orders, means example, say you go for a breakdown order, you don't require an approval. Now you are in approval stage, right? You don't want means approval directly, automatically it will be approved. Else like respective individual, means who has to approve it, who are authorized for approval, all items in apps. I'll go for this, my inbox, all items I'll go. If you are authorized, then you'll receive that particular notification. Okay, like this, it will be triggered. It's a standard one. So 768, what is the number for this? 768. This is 768 is in your inbox. Okay, you can see this status. You are responsible for maintenance notification with subject so and so. You are straight, you will be intimated like this. In your inbox, you will have that particular message. Yeah, maintain notification. From here also, you can go for that notifications. But in real time, who are authorized, they can approve it. For them, it will come like approve, reject, all those things, or forward, ask for more. Okay, like that options will be there. They can ask. Like as of now, we have kept like auto approval. Okay, order saved with notifications. Let me go for again edit display. Say it is not possible to edit order while it has a status in approval. It is in approval now. This is the status. Okay, phase. This is the phase. This is the system status we know we have, and there is a subphase. Subphase is what? Approval, but it is submitted for approval. Okay, it will take some time. It will run the
In approval means it's waiting for approval. Or
exactly. You know,
has
here we can have
waiting for it. Okay.
to whom it has gone, all those things. But now I'll show you another one. 1 second. It is waiting for approval. 1 second. Now it got approved. This type it is called change status. See, auto approval we will call. Okay, where we can have it. Okay, let me save this first. This is one functionality. You can check this. Again, you can go and check. This is the notification part. I will show you in order only. Go for your history part. Now here it will be there. Okay, first like the statuses, how it was changed. No material components, all those things, dates are not approved, pre-costed, created, order approval in process, order approval required. Okay. Then required is a deactivated, system status changed. Then it like order system status, order approval in process is deactivated. Now system status is set to order approved. This is auto order approved. Okay, or else we can send. I send like this in inbox. It will come order approval awaiting. Okay, then you click that, just how you approve your leaves and all that. The same way it will come on attachment. You open the order, you submit it. So approval, submit it, and all those things we can do. Okay, that I will show. It's a pure integration again with your approval stage workflow. Okay, flexible workflow. We can come first, like we'll see the normal process. Now this auto system status is set to order approved. This is done automatically. Okay. So again, I'm going in a change mode. Now I can go to change status. Okay, now I can release it. From here, normal like again job starts. Okay, now earlier like see, now once it was like approved, then phase will be in preparation phase. Okay, preparation and in preparation phase. So accepted, submitted in approval. Okay, or like now I will tell in planning, preparation, or in preparation. Okay, preparation and subphase is in preparation. Next one. Next I'll change to it like means is released. Normally it's a standard process. No confusion in this. So I'm keeping this. So I'll come back to other cases. Now once it is released, we can plan our operations. So if it is set, we can have or like go for your general data. Okay. Here we can assign the task list. In general data only, we can assign the task list. Normal earlier, like in here, like we used to go for go to and assign the task list, right? From here, you want to assign a task list, we can assign a task list. Okay. Then manually you want to enter certain data. So go for your operations, we can enter this data. Okay. If this is like cumbersome, right? View. So we can have other views also. Standard will be there. Example, say in internal, some internal view, it'll look like this. Okay, all those things are like in standard. First operation also, you know, from here we can type. Okay, see 1 second. In detail view, first operation normally here like it would be down one, but if you go for operation data for this particular operation details will come like this. This view has been added. This is the change view again. From here, each operation we can mention. Earlier, the system condition was at a header level. Right now, we can have at the operation level. Go for your operation, whether it is not in operation or in operation, like that we can have it. Not in operation. And you want to mention like work unit. Okay, how much and duration, see calculation key. Example, say calculation key 2 and work unit duration is this. Some 2 hours. And the next like capacity, it will come here, required capacity. So your total work will be some 4 hours. Yeah, and execution stage, whether it is, we have seen this, right? Whether it is a pre-job or main or post-execution job. Correct. It is a main job. And maintenance activity type, what kind of activity it is. Okay, at operation level again. Replacing, some modifying, adjustment, or refit, or service, test, inspection, overall job, all those things. Some we are replacing the bearing. Okay, bearing replacement job. Committed quantities are there. Control keys are there. Yeah, we can set that activity type. All those things are mentioned. This planned one. Now, can we have any again like materials for this? Yes, we can have a materials for this. So go for your material. Then again, we will have a material for this. So let me go for your material. I'll go for some material, some bearing. Go for bearing. And then you select some bearing. Enter item category. So category is your stock item. If stock item is there, L category means reservation will be created. Okay, quantity here I mentioned as 1. This is also standard thing what you are going to do, right? So next, again, I'll go for the cost part. You want to see the costs, we can have this cost part. Okay, once if you save, here it will come. Yes, let me save this document. So planned cost and material cost has come. Okay, if you go for this operation data, I guess this is the material. So select this, go for your material. 1 second. Or else it's fine. From here, just I wanted to show you the cost part anyway, you know. But still, I'll go for this cost part. Go for your MM03. Then go for bearing. I guess like this one. Go for your views. Go for your accounting. And plant continue. So price is 1000, right? The same thing like it is appearing over in your cost part. 1000 is your labor. Okay, 250 internal activity and material cost is 1000. So come back. Now it is released, right? What is the next step again? Yeah, Next step is we have to carry out the job. Okay, it is like in preparation is there, again like in preparation is there. Next afterwards, we want to start this particular job. Okay, in real time, like what we used to do in real release it, and normally like in we used to start like work, right? Technician is to go for work. If he wants to, example say receive the material, take the printout and go for the stores to receive the materials. Now, but what is there? This status of at operation level has to be changed. Okay, now what is the subphase? Preparation. What is the main phase? Again, like here in preparation and preparation. So you want to change the status. How? See here, you want to dispatch the operations. Means here there are multiple operations. In that, like I want to dispatch one operation. Example, like that we can do it. So go for your dispatch operations. Okay, see here, release or dispatch. Status has been changed at operation level. What is your phase now? Your phase at execution level. You're ready for execution. So here, execution phase and ready for execution phase. Okay, execution, ready for execution phase. If it is ready for execution phase, normally we can go for Migo and we can perform it. Right, next steps. What we will do in real time means normally. Okay, if it is not a best practice, if it is ready, Migo receive the goods issue. Still we can do the same. Okay, over here. And next CNF. And afterwards, of course, the TECO. Okay, business complete. But here what is happening? Here there is another one Fury app. Okay, so here I'll mention, yeah, where I have mentioned app. Okay, here I'll mention another one app. Till now we used to use find maintenance order app. In that also we could do all the stuff. Right, now there is another one app, perform maintenance jobs. This is another one app. Without this app also we can do. Normally like IW32 we used to use, right? Instead of that, we have gone for find maintenance order. In that, like we have changed. Now again, all our next activities, example says Migo, CNF, okay, all those things, completion job. These two things I can do it from your perform maintenance jobs. So I'm going for it. Perform maintenance jobs. Go for it. Okay, now I'll come back about this option. So you can search perform maintenance jobs. Okay, this app. See, if it is assigned to you, mine and my teams, okay, then it will come. To assign, it should be your user ID. Normally, we have our user ID, right? This user ID will be linked to one personal number. HR team will do it. Okay, then that particular ID has to be assigned to you. Okay, then we can have that one. Who will assign? Again, maintenance planner will assign. Okay, if we are assigned, means example say assigned to, it will come, but it is not assigned. So how we can assign it? First step, we will see that. So I will go for responsibilities, all jobs I'm going. Okay, if you go for mine and my teams, mine and to be assigned in my team. Okay, mine only, my teams only, to be assigned in my team, like that. Okay, all those things it will be maintenance planner, we can do it. Okay. Now I have opened this perform maintenance jobs and I'll go for all jobs. Okay, there are like this many jobs. I want to, with respect to some order type, like I'll filter it up. I'll go for proactive maintenance. You can like filter it with respect to your technical object also. Okay, see maintenance of compressor. The recent one, it has come up. Okay, or else like in operation, we can have this sorting. So select this. If I select, you see from here again, like I can mention based on this particular operation, I can go for create maintenance request. Okay, from here only I can request some maintenance again, or else say assign to me. Means assign to me means this is not highlighted now. If you select this, I can assign it. I want to confirm this operation quickly. Okay, then directly you can go for quick operation. From here only I can have it in perform maintenance jobs. But let it like first assign to me. Okay.
Hey, you know, ZaranTech now offers SAP Corporate Training. That's right. Train your workforce in SAP with our comprehensive program. We offer customized courses, certified trainers, and hands-on labs for both individuals and businesses. Our standout features: bespoke training, fully configured servers for practice, in-house materials, and a dedicated LMS. Plus, get session recordings and 24/7 support. From functional to technical modules, we have got it all. Choose ZaranTech for SAP training and watch your team excel. Learn, upskill, succeed with ZaranTech.
First, this is again, there is a prerequisite condition. It has to be, see, you have self-assigned one or more jobs to you. Okay, this has been assigned. Again, you want to see that assigned to me or something, then you can go for this, okay, settings, and you can add over here all those things. Assigned to, see, now it has come, some assigned to here, name. Okay, I said like some RAN, right? RAN rebel assigned to me means why this has come like that, I will show you. So go for this order. Now before that, I will go for your one HR thing. Go for your PA30. Okay, HR master data. In real time, we won't be having an access for it. I'll go for some personal number. Okay, it is there already. Some name, it is mentioned by HR team. Okay, if the means this person is an employee, like that, they have created. Okay, in this, there is an info type. Okay, in this info type, there is something called connections. This is purely their job, but still communication. Sorry. In that, again, you go for one system username. Okay, you go for edit option. Here in system ID, see, your system ID should be linked. Okay, while practicing, you have one system ID, right? You consider, instead of creating this much, okay, how this person is created. Example, say he should be hired, or he got it transferred from one company to another company. All those things, they got their own prerequisites. Instead of wasting time, just you consider an existing personal number, okay, and go for this in info type. In info type, go for communications. In communications, you mention this system ID. Okay, we can have email ID, all those things. So like this, we can click. Else, like, we cannot use the perform maintenance jobs app. It's an interlinked again. They are forcefully like, means telling there should be an integration. Earlier, how it was, example said, just go for your HRMS, whatever names are there, that names you can provide in your confirmation, right? IW41 confirmation. Here it is not the case. You're assigning the job to particular person. Okay, that person should be like linked through HRMS. Okay, later again, it will be, we can have completed data. So here it is mentioned. This is the way how you can go for PA30 and go for your one personal number, then enter your info type as communication, this, and go for your edit symbol, or like create symbol in your case, create and mention your ID, whatever your user ID is there. Then that's why the name has come this. So I'm authorized to assign the job to this one. Else, like, it will come work item not assigned. These errors, you will get it. Okay. So what is in benefit? What are benefits we can do in this perform maintenance job? Okay, this details, it is there. Okay, here work in progress is 0%. Yeah, these job details, like you can see on all these things. And malfunction data, if any malfunction data is there, here you can see against that. Any measuring documents we can see over here. Components related we can see here. Any attachments we can see over here. Okay, first, like, I want to start this particular job, means job is been scheduled. Okay, this particular job has been scheduled. Correct. So let me go for this 1069. So this job has been scheduled. It's a normal view. Okay. Job has been scheduled. So go for this. Job has been scheduled. So now it has to be, means you have to start this particular work. Okay. So go for your start. So work got started. Again, there are a lot many options over here. Okay, what are those options? If any like jobs related again to this particular order, then related jobs, it will come over here. Different operations. It consists of only one operation as of now. So there is no related jobs. So once it is assigned, see, now I don't want to perform, means there is some means example, say interruption, we want to pause, we can pause it. Yeah, pause it, or work done directly, you can complete, or record some time, means record time in the sense confirmation time. Okay, so directly
So does this also double for like the time tracking sheet? Because does it go like to the second when the technicians hit start and pause?
Yeah, correct.
And what exactly does record time do if start and pause are already
So
there.
if it is like paused, you want to pause this, you can pause
Okay.
this like this. Work means work has been paused. You will come to know in the status. Means this particular job, which is ready for the schedule. Okay, user has kept this particular job on the pause due to some reasons. Okay, maybe like shortage of manpower, or maybe like material not availability, maybe like
So
some other reasons.
if he goes on break, does he hit pause?
Exactly. He can mention this. He can pause it.
So what does record time do that's different then?
Yeah, that I'll come to this record time.
Okay.
Yes. Now he will start this particular job. Means he'll resume. He is working on it. Now, example say to work on this particular job, he wants certain components. So he will go for the components. In this components, there are two things. One is your standard like material, which we have assigned. Okay, in this your work order. It could be through your task list or like manually we have assigned and we have released it, right? Approved. So it has come under planned components. Right. Now, another one thing is called unplanned components. So from here, what I'm going to do, see, now in real case, like normal in earlier case, what we used to do is to go for a Migo, right? And release it. Okay, there is in here option saying that we can post the goods, means we can receive the goods from here. We can post it directly. There is an authorization. Go for your settings. I want to have an order number. Example, say here order number. Okay. You can have actions called post. You can directly post this. Okay, go for your post. See, post goods issue. This is one material, right? We received means we have to receive it from directly. We have an approval for this. Just post it. Post goods issue. One quantity, we are posting it. Means now
Sorry,
you have an
so-
authorization. Yes.
Sorry, I was typing a note. Maybe I missed it. What is posting?
It's a goods issue. Earlier used to do the Migo, right? Storekeeper. Now here only there is an option. We can have our own goods. You have an approval. So you have this approved, just you collect the material.
We are posting a transaction, inventory transaction.
Exactly, Migo transaction. From here only we are posting it.
So post means
Need not
posting
to go for a
transaction,
Migo.
right?
Yes.
Just to clarify.
So now I have posted it. Nothing but an goods movement posting has been done. So let me go for our maintenance orders. Okay, we are here. Go for your cost part. If you go for the cost, which order it is? Go for your find maintenance order. Okay, no order. Go for this order. Maintenance of compressor. Okay, I don't want to edit because I already have opened it. Now see, this actual cost has come 1000. Material cost got uploaded. Understood? Then if you want to see like history, all those things, it will be there. System status is set to goods movement posted. GMPS. Okay, job in process now. Yeah, these are the new statuses which got added. Attribute like value is changed. Now field name means this got added, assigned to this particular person. System conditions we changed, right? All those things we can see as a log. Maintenance activity added. We have changed this new value was old value was 1, new value on 2, old value is hyphen, new got added. All those things you can check over here in the history. Okay. So again, I'll go for perform maintenance. Example, say now like at this particular stage also, there is an option. Okay, you want to add like unplanned components, which are not planned. Suddenly, like you're performing the job, you require something. Then directly, if you're authorized, again, we can have this option. Okay, add this particular option. Okay, what material you want to have? Any material. Just for our easiness, I'm going for again like bearing. Okay, any other thing like you can have it. Sorry, you're right. Say go for this item. I don't want to use this. This again, it doesn't allow. This is some again ERSA material spare parts. You have to create a production order for that if stock reduces. So I don't want to use this. Okay, something else I will try. Gasket. Huh? This is also ERSA material only. Spare parts. Okay, everything is the same. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, anyway, different order like we'll see again. I'll go for gasket. Okay, go for this SP04. You require one piece. From here only I'm planning. Okay, directly see unplanned goods issue. If you type directly, we can post it. We can receive the material. Okay, need not to require go for again storekeeper. He has to perform the we go. No, you can do it on yourself. You are authorized. Descriptions, any movement descriptions you want to mention, we can mention it. So directly post it. Okay, I don't know the price of it. See, there are no changes, but return of material allowed after this posted. Do you still want to continue? Yes. Okay, I want to continue. And got posted. SP004, something like this. Let me cross check that. 004. Accounting one. Go for this. Continue. Go for this 130. Right, USD. So let me go for your cost part now. Okay, got refreshed. We will see whether it got refreshed. Find maintenance orders. Huh? Okay. Go for your order part. Now 130, right? See here, planned was 1000. Now already like 1000 actual was there. Okay. One material bearing, another one 130 got added directly, which was not there in your planned cost. Okay, directly it got added in 130. Right. Goods movement again, like normally it got posted. So two things we can do it over here. So still like example, say he required a material which was planned and unplanned also he received and he's performing the job and he has to measure it now. After performing it, example, say he has changed the bearing. Now he wants to add certain measurement points, means bearing this he wants to check. Okay, temperature he wants to maintain. For that you require one measuring point, right? So I will go for your this case, okay, system. You know how to create a measuring document. Let me go for this. Got temperature. Bottom bearing, something like that. Bearing temperature. Okay. Okay, characteristic, some temperature. Go for authorization, not required. Target value. Some target value is some 30 degrees centigrades. You can have like upper limit and lower limit, some 40. Some lower limit is some 15, something like that. Okay. 133. You remember this value. Okay. 133 temperature for 3106. Yes, let me go for your performance now. Now we want to add in measurements. Okay, if you want to add a measurements, so latest reading or all readings, whatever. You will see this latest reading or all readings. Okay, not okay, sorry. Here you select like first this technical object type. Okay, object list or measuring points or header or operation, whatever. Okay, I'll have a header. Let's go for this. Then it will come this header technical object selection has come. For this particular object, there is one measuring point created. If you have multiple, then it will come multiple. Okay, just now we selected created, right? 133 that has come. Okay, now he wants to fill this reading. What is this? 30 degrees centigrade, something like that. So he can have from here only measurement documents. So need not to go anywhere in this single screen. Now again, another one step is the next leg. At last, like you finished your job, components received, job performed, inspection you done after fitting it up, everything measurement value is fine. Next you do it, your record time means nothing but a confirmation. From here also you can do job details, go for job description, confirmation, all those things, related jobs. So I'm going for record time. What is this record? Means nothing but a confirmation. So who is this employee associated with, means assigned to this particular employee number. Okay, actual work, unit of hours, all those things repeats. You tell like final confirmation, clear open reservations if any. Right, you want to mention any confirmation, work done with MD and unplanned goods. Okay, all these things are done. You want to record that? You want to add some other employees? We can add who has done this job. Yeah, activity type, you know, if there is any variance, why the reason for the variance, machine malfunctioned or operating errors or defective material or waste of time, all those things, any variance we can mention. So record it.
So that variance, if there are other things, wouldn't that be recorded when he hit the start, and then he found this other work that needs done, so he did that. And as he was doing that other work, so long as he didn't hit pause, it's still being recorded, right?
No, the pause is status of that particular job, not about the time. Time is in record time. We are giving actual time, how much it should be. Means how much time he has maintained. See, now you want to see the status of any job, right? Earlier, you used to not know the status of that any job particular. You have to ask like individual person, right? What is the status of this particular job? Because it is released condition, whether you're performing it or not, you're working on it or not. But here you can see in perform maintenance jobs, you come and check, means you have a report, this particular operation, example say, it is under pause. Means again, like user will write something, right? He has his own reasons again. Or like if it is working, then you'll come to know it is working. Earlier, this status was not there. It was like difficult to know that what is the correct status, whether they are working it or not, whether it is paused, all those things.
But
So now
earlier,
they have this.
Okay, earlier you said that it acts like a time track when it's start and paused. So now you're saying it sounds like you're saying it doesn't.
No. See, you are getting confused with the record time, right? Record time is how much time you have taken to complete the job. But here you are starting the job and pausing. It doesn't affect your record time. Record time you can increase and decrease. That is a manual entry again. So 4 hours I have planned. If I paused it for 2 hours, okay, but work means duration to complete that job is only 4 hours, right? I have paused it for 2 hours, something else. You want to count that also? We can count and increase it.
No, that's why you pause it, so you're not counting it.
Yeah, correct. Not like we can count it actually. We can count that.
I
no
think
issues.
the
Example say,
confirmation is just an overriding. You can confirm whatever which capture is right, or you want to add anything additional.
yes, exactly.
Right.
Logically,
so that's what the
yes.
confirmation does. Because typically it doesn't happen. Everything is driven to the system, right? That work will be happen sometime, and then they're coming back and confirming everything in the system. It's not that they click on the button and go and do the work and come back and stop the work and things like that. Typically, the work order will be completed sometime, and they come back, record in the system in later time and things like that. So that time when they submit the confirmation, they can actually record how much time they took to complete this work, and they can validate all of the rest things, and if there are any variants and all those things, they can capture and confirm.
So
yeah.
Do start and pause, are they intended to use as like a time clock for the actual time?
That's right. I believe that will track a time, but what typically to confirm a record time is against to validate whether it's right. And if you want to make it now, since you pressed on the record time, it was showing that 4 hours it took to complete from this time to this time and all, right? If that is all okay, you can submit and confirm. But if you want to if you are telling that I took 1 more hour to complete it outside of this, right, you can make it as 5 hours and confirm. But otherwise, yeah, system is capturing that. That's what I feel.
But it all depends again, like on individual. Example, say you have completed the job, but coming back to the system or like through mobile, you are doing it. It may take some time. So all those things, as per your logic, we can have that accountability. Yeah, logically speaking, you are pausing it. You have to consider that.
Question was about whether the system is capturing that time, right? When you start the work and when you end the work, the duration is getting captured. And when you pause it, it will pause that, and all those things are capturing is what the question.
Okay.
Yeah, so is this recording time? Is that just for like if someone made a mistake on the pause?
Paresh, you're not audible and your voice coming up. Can you join back, Paresh?
No, I'm audible, right?
No, you're not. Yeah, Tim, go ahead. Sorry.
So
yeah.
So is that record time? Is that like if there's an exception, like 98% of the time start and pause should track the time accurately, and this is just for if there's an exception? some mistake in the recording?
No, actually, only the system takes as of now, it is a record time. Okay. But like your point means start bar start time, it is for the status. Okay. And whether it is like in start or pause, that time, whatever you are telling, that can be again, we can maintain in your record time. Okay. But it's not a clock, something like that. You start it and like clock has started and you pause it, then that particular time it will be mentioned. No, the time whatever we mention is in work capacity, right? Scheduling period, that will be considered.
So the start and pause are not used for tracking the text time.
No. Activity time is no. As of now, it is, you can say it is for your status purpose. Okay.
I could have swore you said it was to track the text time. So start and pause, it's just a general status of the notification of working on it or not working on it, and it's not meant to be really precise.
Exactly.
Okay.
You want to use that particular thing, you can use it in record time, like apart from this.
But it's
Okay.
all captured in your status when you started, when you post, and all those things will be there in the history, right? As a status time.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, or operation level.
Yeah, operations level, right.
It will have that. Yes, and like see now work progress, it got completed like 100%. If I go for again like order part, if I go for your operations, operation data, here it will come. Planned work got finished. Okay, the work has been finished. But here we can like again like go for this, means work finished, right? Means after that again I want to add another one operation example thing. So now I'll come out of this 0010 operation. So this one, let me show you again. Yeah, everything is set now. So I'll come back once it is saved. Again, I'm going for this order. Again, I want to add something. Then whether I can do. So go for this, go for your edit option. See here, released and dispatched. And again, you go for now operation set. Here your phase has been changed to post execution. Okay, you want to add like new operation. Again, like operation here, as of now, dispatch operations is not there. Now you want to dispatch the operation once you set it. Again, you go for perform operations. Okay, you can add that particular operations. Next, like I'll go for example, say, go for your example, inspection has been done. Inspection of comp by some manager. Yeah. So select this. Details. Yeah. Now, second operation, you want to do what? Calculation duration, some 6 hours. Okay, capacity, some 2. Okay, 3 hours. Now it's on post execution job you can take. Okay, what is your execution stage? Main thing has done. It's my post execution job. Okay, someone is doing like only inspection thing. So post execution job. Again, you want to add some instruments or something like that, you can go. Now here for this, the phase is preparation phase. Okay, in preparation. Okay, header like execution, header phase is execution that we cannot change it. So here it has come as a preparation stage. Now again, I'll go for your additional operations. Okay, now once you save, it will come that particular thing. Okay, it will get highlighted. So select this operation, go for your dispatch operations. Now again, it is dispatched. No execution has come up. Okay, now it is ready for execution. Now see here, like normal execution phase. Main work started. Okay, same. So save it. Now if you go and check here again, it will be inspection of a component compressor. It has come over here. It is been not assigned to anyone. So select this. So go for assign to me. Okay, this is an integration part I had showed you. It's locked and cannot be done. Okay, come back. Okay, now we can do it. Select this, assign to me. Now it will get assigned. Okay, assigned, go for this particular request.
That was really fast. What did you do to unlock it?
No, I have come back here. I was in change mode of this order. So I have come back, that's it. Yes, now like again, work in progress, 0%. Then you start this job normally. Yeah, come down, see here, related jobs for this particular one order was this earlier case 0010. What is the status of it? Confirmation, dispatched. Okay, all those things is there. Okay, subphase is like finished. You will come to know related jobs over here. Earlier it was empty. Right. Again, you want to do for this job also. Okay, you want to assign something. Okay, measurements. Okay, here you want to add measurements. You can add the measurements. Okay, you can see that components you want to add. You can have certain attachments you want to do. All those things you can perform. Instead of that, just like I mentioned, like work done. Okay, he has inspected it. Now you want to record the time. From here, you can record it. You can consider your case, like you want to add something more or less, whatever. Okay, so record it. Now here, work progress, it will come. Now it got confirmed. This is second operation also. The work progress is completed. Next, I'll go back to this order. Okay, sorry, edit mode. So now I'm into this order. Go for your operation data. Now you check release confirmed. Post execution and work got finished. In operation stage, you have maintained that thing. Right? Second stage, pre or main. This is the main operation. This is my post operation. This got highlighted. Post operation. Pre means like before this main operation is some any readiness check or taking approvals. Okay, some permit submissions. All those things comes under P. Main job is this. Post job is this. Like this operations also we can segregate. Yes. Now you go for status. Main work completed. Okay, you can set this particular status. Main work got completed. Okay, set main completion, work completion date and time as reference date and time. You can have it when you completed your main work, right? That particular date and time you can maintain it as a reference. Okay, that is an optional. So okay, this is done. Main work got completed. Okay, next like we have to close the notification, right? From order also you can close, but like we didn't complete the task. So I'll go for assign notification, else like it will throw an error, right? Let me go for your notification part. Then you go for your task data. So here you want to close it. Okay. Again, like your view is different, normal view. So task released, here you go set the status. Set the status. Earlier it was released, means task released. Now it is complete. Now you complete it. Task got completed. Okay, you want to save, you can save. Again, like additional is there, it is successful you are mentioning. Okay, you can mention additional to that is a successful. So save it. Closing this notification means that this system notification to completed. Right. Example say complete. I can do it like in order stage also. So no issues. Come to your order part. Okay, here assigned order to this part. So what we will do, we'll go for change status. Okay, you want to cancel this main work completed and again like go back, we can have that and complete this technically. Okay, complete like assigned notifications from use only, like use main work completed date and time. That is also again we can set this reference date and time. So techo, close it. Now again it has been set to techo. So save this order. Yes, Now it is done. Next, like I'll go for another one session. You know this settlement. Run actual settlement. Order number is this. Period is 8. Next, I'll go for fiscal year 2024. Remove this test run. This much is done. So execute it.
What sets ZaranTech apart in SAP Corporate Training? It's our unique blend of expertise and innovation. We offer customized courses tailored to each client's needs, ensuring relevant, targeted learning. Our vast trainer database brings you wisdom from the best in the field. Need resources? Access our extensive training material repository anytime. We are all about measurable results, providing detailed student metrics to track progress. And we don't just teach, we build community. Join our thriving social media network, connecting learners beyond boundaries. With ZaranTech, you are not just training, you are transforming your SAP expertise.
Your processing completed with no errors. You want to see the details in the video. Okay, 3,630 got settled. Sender is your order, receiver is your another cost center. Okay. So again, come back. The final step. What is your final step? Go for this order part, edit. Then now you can set this order to closed, business complete. The final step, complete business. See here, it will come like this because we have used like one SP00 number, means material, right? For that, there should be one production order should be created. Okay, that is not a stock, right? You have utilized that particular material. Now it should be in stock. So that is the reason this particular error like we are getting. So we cannot close it. So that is fine.
So can you go back to that order one more time, please?
Yes.
So suppose I do not have access to that KO88, right? So I can see it here whether it is actually closed or not.
Echo.
Yeah. No, not echo. Suppose that settlement. So whether the settlement has been done or not.
Settlement. Settlement posting is there, no?
Here from where?
Information. Okay, settlement rule got created. It is there. 1 second. I'll show you that. We'll go for one thing is directly go for the cost part. Here you see this actual cost is 0.
Actual?
Okay,
Cost
actual cost is 0. Okay, by this you can make it out always. Okay, whatever is there. So another one thing here only down here is mentioned.
That. But you showed me the settlement. Yeah, here it is settlement rules.
Full settlement, it will be grayed out.
Oh, full settlement would be grayed out.
Grayed out.
Okay.
This one.
In the cost.
Exactly. Here only it will be there. Normally that view is in different. So you want to be bit familiar. So if you are used to this, then here also you'll come to know IW33. Example say here there is a dollar, right? Settlement rule. If you go for the settlement rule, here it will be grayed out. Means of course it will be grayed out. Why? Because TECO in display.
Just probably I do not have access. But this actual settlement, does it say like it is settled already? Go back to that order.
Yes, okay. Dollar. Yeah. Here it will be you're settled.
So maybe where I am working right now, the settlement works in the background automatically. Is it like that? Because I was not.
That time you come back. Yeah, you after some duration you check this what first used and last used, whether it is posted in this period or not. Okay. Now like what I will do, I will go for some other order. Okay. I will go for so many orders are there. So go for your 32. Okay. 67. Okay, it's closed. So I will go for IW38. Go for your Z01C. Okay, order type or order type which is not completed. Okay, alternate labeling Z01C only, right? Okay, I'll open some random one order, test order. Now it is created stage. Okay, you go for your one settlement rule. Okay, without default or with here it is not maintained. No, normally we'll maintain one settlement. Why? Because for order itself it won't be there. Like this it will be there in editable field, all these fields. Okay, so come back, you just like release this. Okay, directly like you techo it. So it is normal process. Okay, no best practices are adopted. So it is techo now. Again you go back. However, like it will be, you cannot see this period part. Okay, you cannot edit, but means normally like this much it will be left out for your FICO team. Okay, here you come back and you can check. Once it is posted, so nothing is there to post it. Actually, we didn't maintain any operations. Everything is 0, 0. So what I will do, just go for this order functions, complete, like cancel the technical, go for your operations part. Okay, that is fine. Okay, duration. Okay, so again you have to do the confirmation part. 901. So hope there will be some cost. Right. Actual cost will be some posted. Something is there. Okay, I don't think so. This order.
No, 90.
This one only. 90 something. Okay, here like activity is also most important. Okay, we'll go and ensure this. There is some cost maintained. Means an activity should be there. Okay, there is fine. Some cost is there. So we will close this. Before this also, whether we can do the techo? Answer is yes. Okay, we can do the settlement before techo also, but not a right procedure. So go for your settlement again, KO 88. Now you find some period. Okay, which period? Like August period. You can remember this. Means normally it won't be in current period. They will do it like example, say work is finished in the month of June. Then they will post for the June period. That period should be open. That again FICO team will take care. Okay, completed. Then you go for the details part. Some 600 it should be. Okay, 600 it is there. Sender and the receiver is ours. We have kept some receiver. No, that in real time it will fetch from equipment. So again, go back to your order part. Now you see that. Okay, header and go for this particular one. Change order. Now it will be grayed out. It will be grayed out.
Okay. First use and last.
This. Yes, example. Same thing we have seen. Again, you select this. Example say means you come out of this order. Again, go for your settlement. This one only, remove this test run, go for your settlement. By mistake, like they have settled it, but still like some emergency, reverse it.
So we don't have any status in the work order, right? Because I saw one status
Work
called
order,
settlement rule created, but after that.
Okay, that, yes. Okay, 1 second. You will go for this documents or like document flow. Go for this document flow. We can have that status.
Oh, okay.
No issues. Confirmed technically settlement rule created. Confirm precosted settlement created. All those things it will come over here. Settlement rule means maintained.
Okay.
Over here. Okay, from here like cost. From there again you go for extra documents for order. In this orders, go for your changes. Here you see anything is there.
Because I understand rule is created even before, I put the actual, right?
Rule will be created once you adopt that particular equipment.
Correct. So I saw
system will check. Yeah. System will check during release stage and during your techo stage. Okay, based on our rules. That much. Again, if you go for this, no, means example say now we are in order, we reversed it, right? We reversed it. So go for this. Now again it will be in editable mode. So now it is in editable. That period, whatever was there, it got cancelled. Okay, this way, like you can check.
And I have one more question. Can you go back to that order tab?
Order.
Yeah. So when you are creating an order or this order is already created, suppose, go to the planning tab.
Yeah. This will be active. for your preventive maintenance.
Yeah, so this task list type E is always it is E, or it can be
No, that
changed,
is
like,
an last included. Last included means a task list. For this, anyone is included some task list like that. It will come. Not E. It will be grayed out. Whatever we select, that will be there.
no, suppose I am creating a new one. Okay.
Ah.
So I saw that, okay, this task list is always like grayed out. Okay. And then from the environment, you can actually add some task list, right?
Correct.
Yeah,
Extras.
yeah. From
Go for task
extras,
list. Go for your
task
task
list
list.
and add it.
Direct entry.
Add general one.
It will come E or A that time.
Then it will come
E
A.
means equipment.
I add general, yeah.
E or general, correct. Since it is
my
an
question
equipment,
was
so it
like,
will
is it always by default it is E? Like when I'm creating a, suppose I create a new work order, it will always be E.
Yeah, E that by default it will be there because of equipment we are creating on equipment.
Okay.
Yes. Then later we can select
Thank you.
based on.
Thanks.
Yes. Next, like we'll go for example. Say this is done, saved, and at last, like we can go for CLSD. So another one is there. Normally we'll go for one case document. I forgot this particular Fury app. Then what I will do, I'll go for this, go for your app finder. Then I will find out through transaction code CV01N. CV01, anything is there? We will wait for it. Yeah, create a document. Okay, just like document, it will come in results. So I'm going for the create a document. What is this document? We used that in example. I'll go for some IE03. Any equipment we'll consider 3063. So go for your somewhere like we can assign your documents, right? Okay. M category. Yeah, documents linked. There are certain documents got linked to this. Means from where you get these documents. So we have to create these documents, okay, links, and we can assign to our equipments later on. So how we can do that? So let me go for your create a document. Okay, what is document number anyway? System will generate, right? Internal number range. Go for your document type. What document type you want to generate? Okay, some print list, cover sheet, like that. We can configure again. So engineering drawing. Okay, like so I'll go for this DRW engineering drawing. Okay, select this document part and version. Again, like system will give that. Okay, this is the create a document of Fury app. Go for this. This comes under one small module. It is okay, document management system. Okay, one person will be taking care. Mean example, say in big project. Okay, individual. A person means he will take care of all the documents. He will upload. Okay, irrespective of the modules. Just like migration, we have seen the migration cockpit, right? Migration team will take care. Like the document management system, like team will take care of all these things. Or like respective module also can work on it. So this is on screen. Okay, I will go for CB01. This much is done. So enter now. So automatically it's a document part number and like your version will be by default, it will be there 00. So enter. Yeah, if you enter, it will come like this part and version. Okay, we can have a description. What is our equipment? I'll create it for compressor 3106. Okay, sorry, this compressor I will create it. First, let me go for your Fury. then compressor drawing, something like that. Yeah, engineering drawing. Then your document status. See here, it is a work request status, initial status it will be. Okay, always. And CM related means whether this particular document, whatever we are creating, whether it is relevant for your configuration management or not relevant for your configuration management. Okay, I'll select like not relevant for your configuration management. Okay, valid from date, by default it will come from once it is released. Now it is not released. Okay, we are not authorized to change this. Any authorization groups we can have this. And change number we have seen. We have created the change number also, right? Last CC01. That we can have that. And any superior document is there, we can mention that superior document over here at this particular stage. Yeah, now example say we are like work requesting it. Once it is like approved, example say here we can bring it to archived stage, means like still we can edit it. Next stage we have to bring that to stage by stage, it will there. Okay, here it is deactivated. Okay, else like from your side you can check in status network. Okay, there will be one network, means how we can move from one step to another step. Like that means it is in work request, then archived, then it will come released. Now released is not there. Okay, have to go for one status to another status. Yeah, then I'll go for originals. Here you upload your document. Yes, please.
That change number field, is that like version number of the document?
No, that is an approval taking for the change of this document or creation of this document. For the document creation, master data creation, example say you want to create one equipment or you want to create one functional location, you require one approval. That is called change document approval.
Now, to change number.
Change number, exactly. Means example, you are an means a consultant who takes care of master data upload, then you require one approval, right? On what basis you are performing these changes? Example, you are creating some 10 function locations, okay, where there is an approval for you to perform that transaction, okay, creation of certain equipments. So you create one change request, okay, that will be approved by the concerned team. After you get that approval, that number should be pasted over here. Okay, you assign that number to this. Based on this change number, you are creating this document.
Actually, it is called MOC or management of change. So I think that
exactly, management of change. It is an again enhancement we can have over here. Okay, standard is your change number. MOC is correct, management of change. You take on approval.
Change number is approval number, reference number. Like, that's a really, the wording is really throwing me.
Yeah, reference number.
Change number is like a reference number for the approval you got for this document.
Exactly.
Wow. Okay. Alrighty. Thanks.
Yeah. Go for your application. What kind of application you want to like load it? Example, say I want to load some PDF. So I mentioned somewhere like PDF. Okay. So okay. Here like I mentioned this drawing compressor engineering document. Okay. Detail engineering document, something like that. Detail engineering or document. Yeah, storage category, it is again like based on the basis. The basis will keep one storage, okay, for this. Yeah, and data carrier also related to that. Okay, in like this demo server, you don't get it. It's a path. Means normally basis will tell like all your documents you can store under this particular folder. Our job is to just select. How we selected like cost center, profit center, same way here, one storage center, we have to keep that. Okay, now go for your originals. So you upload it, okay, file from to the SAP system. Okay, now you get it. Okay, I guess like I have created one, some desktop. Yeah, this one, something like that. With yeah, PDF document. It will allow, no issues. So this much is done. Okay, it is not getting saved. Okay, fine. Anyway, document I'll provide. So continue. Now this particular document got loaded over here. Okay, this one. So let me go for your request. Once it is changed to the archive, so save it. Now number got generated 685. Then go for your change document menu, go for your document, go for your change, enter. Okay, Now you change it to again now released H3 final one. Okay. So here H3 some log field you want to write, you can mention. It is changed, released, and save it. So now it is released. It's a green. Now it is effective from this. Now anything else we want to do? Yes, we want to link this to one object. What is our object? Example, I want to link from here itself. Once it is done, okay, then PM consultants can work on it. Okay, they'll give the concerned one. Okay, numbers, all those things. So let me go for one equipment master or functional location like that. Let me go for again equipment. Okay, but I know my equipment number, so I'll directly paste it. Okay, 3106. As of now, any documents are there in this? Nothing is there. So let me go for this 3106. So compressor 08 got some this equipment has been assigned, okay, for the document. So save it. Let me go for your equipment again. So refresh it. Okay, here let's anyway this will be refreshed. Then go for your partners. Wherever you want, like you can assign that, okay, this particular document. Now this document got created and assigned to this 685. Okay, select this. You want to see this document, you can go for this. Of course, it is not stored in somewhere. It should be stored. Not directly you can access to this document. Or here. You can see this uploaded document. It should be stored in some place, some folder. This is how we can have this document creation and upload everything. Then there are certain steps. Means configuration is also a big thing. Okay, document again. It's an that's why I said like it's a small module kind of thing. Okay, we do it. So let me go for some path. I will show you the major paths over here. So go for your SPRO. Then go for your cross application components. Okay, in this like cross application components, go for your document management. And here like you find that everything. Okay, steps to configure. Create content, document, okay, control data. First step, what we will do, will show you that. Okay, control data. In control data, settings, 1 second, where we'll find the document range. This is for the storage system. Okay, I will tell you the T code. Okay, I'll mention the one T code. Then from there, like we can have an access. First T code is OACO or OAC0. See, OAC0. This is one content repository. The same thing here. We have to search where it is there. Here we can search like content repository. Okay, somewhere you find all the paths over in a document management system. Okay, in this document management, we can see everything. DMS here. I missed this actually. Define DMS document types. Okay, what documents types like we used just now? We used like this DRW. This is what like I missed actually. I was searching for. You can use the existing one. Again, let me try this whether I can paste it or not. This path at least. Yeah. Okay, DRW. Select this. Go for your language dependent any descriptions. Okay, we can provide all these things over here. This is also like our job. Okay, define document status. Just now we are having a status set. All this archived, released part H4, everything, release indicator. This, but this one. Then go for your language dependent, like object links. Okay, you select like something, you go for like object links, document info record. For that, like screens. Yeah, under transport of originals, this is not required. If you want to see this transport, like ALE, application link enabling should be there. And again, a buffer will send it. Okay, log fields, authorization groups. You want to maintain any authorization groups for that. Maintain object link descriptions again. For that descriptions, a language thing, document status descriptions. Yeah, all those things we have done. Then come back like here, content repositories, okay, where you want to reposit it. Okay, all those things. So we will see it. Here it will be mentioned. Example, say some orders related, all those things, or equipment related drawings and all you want to keep under one thing. Then go for this content repository. So they'll give this a storage type, what kind of storage it is. Yeah, DB store, logical repository, RFC archive, all those things like basis will take care again. Structure type. So this will be created. This is the first step. Okay, this is done by again basis team. So I'll maintain this step. Create content repository. Okay, next, like you have to maintain category. What is my category? Okay, for everything there will be a category, right? So we have to define the category also. Okay, then again we will say find this category. OACT. Okay, category. You can search over there. These are the categories. Under these categories, we are going to create it. Example, say some category, repository of shift reports. All those things are saved under this document. So go for this repository for shift reports from document area. All those things are created. Again, it is their job only. Some standard categories will be created. Okay, maintain categories. Then assign that particular example. Say like just now we created on content repository, right? We have to assign content repository to maintain category. So that we can see here. So description. This is my category. Okay, now come back. Category COCF, right? Where it will be assigned, we will see that. Okay, and assign that category. We'll see the path. Then we will search this content repository. Sorry. Okay, I'm missing that. I will show you that particular one. Okay. Now, example, say we created one a content repository that we have to assign it to the one category. Okay, same way. Now, again, after that, you define a document type. This is our document type. Okay. Now, normally we can define a standard one or basis team again, like means the DMS team will do it. Okay. Then your define document type. This is the major one. And that release strategy, we are going to do it. Strategy. Okay, DMS. In this. Okay, document types. Example, say like DRBW we have considered it for this. Double click on this. Sorry, here in this. Use pro archiving authorization version management number exists number range. Okay, this the standard one. This we are going to define with respect to this drawing again, like languages, document status. This is most important. Document status again done by us. We can use the standard one anyway.
Our comprehensive student metrics ensure top-notch learning experiences. We track engagement through attendance, participation, and video interactions. Performance is measured via quiz scores and assignment submissions. We monitor learning behaviors, including time spent and revisit patterns. Our metrics cover social learning, course completion rates, and even post-course success. With technical data on platform usage and device information, we optimize every aspect of your learning journey.
So release strategy is done. First, like content repository, where you have to reposit it, maintain category, and assigned we both, like we have assigned it, and documented type, and the release strategy, whatever is there, that we have completed it. Okay, the revision levels, all those things and all. Then statuses. Then you want to have a number ranges for it. So come back. Now internal number ranges, right? Again, here number range is 0, 1. So come back. Then we have gone for number ranges of this document numbers. Right. Again, you go for this edit number. So this is the number ranges. Okay, document number. Here we will have. So come back. Come back. Here we can define it. Now any revision levels. Okay, for this we can have user status level also. Okay, for that user status we can have like this revision levels, it will be called. For each revision means each user status we can maintain it. And any roles. Okay, again like security team will help us, like any roles we want to create, single roles means here there is an authorization directly we can go, or else a PFCG, it's SAP securities code. They'll create one role. In that, they'll give an authorization. Example, say I'll create one DMS role. Who can have an access for it? Document creation. Okay. Then go for your single role creation in this role. Then you provide, go for your menu. You have to save the role first. Yes. So example, say role is saved. Then go for your authorizations. Okay. Change like authorization data. This is again SAP security team will take care. Some template like you have to choose for that. And then you provide authorization for it. Okay, example, say new user, apply this particular template. All those things they will take care. Example, say one user wants to have IW31, one user wants to you should not have like CV01 T code, right? DMS. That is the reason. Okay, over here for that roles and all we are creating. Okay, so come back. Some like roles you'll have, and again like workflow. So all those things they will take care. Okay, which transaction? Example, say you want to add some transaction. So CV01. Okay, create a document info record. Now example, say IE01. Okay, he can have this access, or he can restrict individual how we can have it. Like that. Example, say IW38. So create equipment, change PM orders. Like that, we can assign the transactions, and further they will take care about that. Means for this, they will create one authorizations. Okay, in that like what he can do, what he cannot. Sorry, another one they will create one profile name. Okay, this is one profile name. This profile name they will assign profile for your role DMS. This role is created. Now profile is got created. Then authorizations. Authorization data they will mention. See whether again for which company code, which plant, which controlling area, which profit centers. You go for some maintenance planning plant, right? You want to create an equipment for say 1010. You are not authorized. Okay. So all those things in a deeper level, this one means this is how they will start. You'll be knowing like roles creation is PFCG. Then you go and create one role. That role has to be assigned. Example, say now DMS role is there. Now close this. Okay, new, everything is there. It's fine. So save it. Here also. Then I will go for, again, done by them. Now you have everyone can have an access in practice server. Don't change it, but SE01 transaction code. You maintain your user ID. You go for edit. So here there are custom roles, right? We just now created one custom role. These are the standard roles. You can find it in Fury app roles, right? You can see this SAP BR underscore employee I showed you earlier. So now you'll go for DMS. Whether it is there or not, we will see. Some single role we created. I don't know. Let me try that. Or let me try this single role, whether it is there. So DMS. Okay, when it got created today. So, but it is not fully activated, right? All authorization, we have to test it. Now testing how we will do in perform in real-time implementation project. Like this one test user ID they will give. In that they will assign one DMS for you. Then it is saved and they will give you credentials. Okay, for this user ID, they'll give username and password. Okay, you take that username and password. Our job is again like go for this. Okay, they will tell that test case. What you are testing? You are testing if DMS role is there in your thing, then you have an access for CV01. Okay, cannot be executed. SAP note something. Okay, sorry. 01N something like this. You can check. Okay, you have an access. You create it and you test it. Example, say you don't have an access for it. Then that should not. It should come as a transaction. You are not authorized to do it. Like that, it should come. Okay, that is how you test it. So they will write a role. All roles they will document and they will give us. Okay, because you get a ticket saying that one person comes up and say that like I don't have an authorization. So we should check that how easily you can solve that ticket. So you should check whether he has an authorization role inserted or not. You have to tell like security. You have to tell this so and so roles has to be included. That is again decided by PM consultants with the client. So this is how we can have the single roles and assign it. So save it. Yeah, this we have done. That is how we can have proactive where we were. So come back. So maintain role. Here also we can do that, or else a separate like PFCG T code we can go and have it. Okay. Next, you have document status and document links also we have seen in this only, I guess. Document links. Yeah, define document links. Select this order and go for your define document links. What document links? Equipment master EQI table. Functional location if lot table. Okay, measuring points IMPTT for this. Okay, these are the table names. Okay, from here also you can refer. These document links will be there. And for that, the screens. Just now we saw it. If we click like equipment, then the screen it will come automatically designed in a backend. Yeah, if you go for functional location, this screen it will be there. And plant material for them, supplier material component. Okay, there are a lot many. This is one object links. Then different transports of original. Okay, here like define your transports. You want to transport these originals. 1 second. No screen source maintained. It's fine. Okay, transports that data carrier from one to another folder. They will take care again. Not required. It is not required. Authorization group. I said how to have it. And maintenance object links, whatever was there, equipment and all in another language. It is maintained over here, different languages. This is also document status. This majorly we will do all those things. First, we will define one document type. Then we'll go for that status part. Okay, we'll have this status part. Then like different languages, and for this different object links we are assigning. Or it will be a common for everyone's like object will be assigned. It is not only the PM related thing. Okay, EQI, flat, and all like others one and all maintained for different document type, DRW. Okay, these are the major configurations. And next, like again, we have to we want to like user profile needs to be created. Okay, then again I'll come back. Again, maintain like screens for here. You can have like object links, screens and all. Here it will be maintained separately and copy paste over there. EQI. This is your screens. Okay, screen number. So maintain roles like I have showed you how you can maintain the roles. PFCG. Define data carrier. Again, like this is in data. Carrier means you want to store something. Okay, certain default will be maintained. All those things again taken care. Server, define servers and files for your folder. Purely taken care by them. Basic carrier types. Okay, external DMS. Some external you want to fetch documents. External DMS from there means this. There is another one thing has come up in S4HANA. User like central library kind of thing will be there. Okay, user will be maintaining that all those things. Vendors. Okay, now you are assigning one BP, right? Vendor. Okay, vendor is maintaining some details. Okay, that description also we can provide kind of a cloud. Okay, direct like online catalogs we can see instead of maintaining from our side. Okay, link will be provided by them. So directly it can be configured. Okay, interface kind of thing. That is also there. Settings for your storage systems, where and all you want to storage, like maintain storage category. Okay, this was we're searching for. Okay, some different storage categories will be mentioned here.